Welcome back, guys, to the channel. As you guys can see, I'm fully done with my scooter. And when I'm talking about fully done, I am fully finished. Nothing I'm changing. There's a lot of stuff I changed around. As you can see, since the last time you guys saw the scooter, I mean, we're talking about to the handlebars, lights, changing the lights to the outside rather than the inside, having 6 lights instead of the 5 that was kind of weird. It wasn't bright. I'm even changing. The last thing I'm changing is my new. I have gold rotors. Gonna be sick. But as you can see, I changed the lights. I got these lights, really good. I mean, these mirrors, very good. All you got to do is screw it in. No messing with the other ones. Trust me, this is one of the best. You got the what's to match, the blue to match. I got the blues here to make it longer. I have to get longer screws for it. So I could do all blue, but I like kind of the black mix match because I have black in there too. Got my speakers down here. Let me turn this off. And I got my speakers up here, so the speakers that shoots out from the bottom and the speakers that shoots out towards me. I changed my my phone holder to this because it's way better. I put back on the what they call it, the voltmeter, because you know you can't really rely on the volt on this one. You should rely on the voltmeter because it goes directly from the battery. I got a horn right here, which is better than the original horn that I had. It sounded like meep meep, almost like a Roadrunner from Sesame Street. This one is, see what I mean? It's like really loud. I got my camera down here, and at first I was wondering why I should put it down here because it was up here before. But I put it down here because I do 2 different type of riding. I do seat riding and I do other riding. So if I do seat riding, when you're sitting down, you can literally see the camera right in front of you. It's so easy for you to see it. Or I can put it right here too, either one. But I like it down there too. And then when I do standing riding, I do the mirror. I use the mirrors, you know what I mean? It's pretty good. Oh, and I also don't have rear blinkers anymore, so I have these smart lights, as you can see. They turn it on, and when you stop, it stops. These are just random. It comes with it, so I don't really care for that. I got a box. This box holds everything I need, every single thing I can possibly need. I got it in there. These are just for show. I can mount anything on here. Here's my camera right here, back here. Pretty cool. I don't know how I ended up thinking about putting it back here, but I love when things are just perfectly centered. And in this scooter, everything is just perfectly centered. See what I mean? Everything I just have, the box centered, everything is just perfectly centered. I gotta clean out my what's called, but I upgraded the brakes. I wish they work like nut brakes, but they're pretty good. They're pretty good. I can't wait to change this out when I get home, once I get home. But yeah, and then I put lights down here with all my stickers, you know, suggestive stickers. But yeah, guys. Oh, and then the last but not least, of course you guys know, I upgraded to a 7,500 watts. Whether it's true or not, I'm yet to find out. But 7,050 watts and 2, that's I can push about 15,000 watts. Never tried it, but I do feel like it pulling when it comes to, like, you know, getting up to speed and stuff like that. I can pull, because that's why I ride only on level 2, because even level 2 is super fast. But yeah, it's yeah, as you can see, let me give you guys a wide shot how sexy it look. Oh my god, man, it's way better than my original one. As you guys can see, maybe I can give you guys a 360. Let me see if I can get a nice 360 view. It's just so good. I like it. I like it. Even though I don't use the seats just makes it have more of an appeal. So yeah, everything's just perfectly centered. The lights are freaking bright. I used all 6 one time, and I'm like, damn, it's brighting up the whole street. But I can just use 2. But you know me, I just go big or go home, as they always say. But anyways, guys, yeah, that's my scooter in a nutshell. A lot of stuff I just said in the video, I did myself. So even if you buy this scooter, you're not going to look even ever close to this. They don't even sell that type of seat. They sell it for another scooter. But because I told them I have an 80 amp hour battery, do you have one for that size? They sold it to me. So anyways, guys, in the comment, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I'll get back to you guys later. Okay, guys? To the next one. Jaridian signing out. Peace.